I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact Samsung model and ensuring the device is powered. This prevents unexpected reboots. Once done, open Settings and type Control Panel in the search bar or swipe down twice to reveal Quick Settings. Make sure to unlock admin or parental restrictions first. You will see the current layout. You're taking control now. Follow the visible toggles to enter Edit mode. This prepares you to change tiles, rearrange icons, or add custom shortcuts without losing settings. Now you adjust the panel itself. You enter Edit mode by long pressing any tile or tapping the Edit pencil. This exposes available tiles and layout options. Drag tiles where you want them, pull unwanted tiles to the Remove area, and add new functions from the hidden list. You can create groups or a second page for seldom used controls. Make sure to include brightness and connectivity tiles for quick access. As you rearrange, test one change at a time to confirm behavior before moving on. Finish by saving or exiting Edit mode and immediately test the panel functions you changed. Tap Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and brightness to confirm. If a tile disappears or acts strange, restart the device first. That resolves most transient issues. For stubborn problems, reset the Quick Settings layout from Display or Clear Settings, Cache, and Apps. Make sure your system is updated. Updates fix control panel bugs. If you still see problems, revert to defaults and reapply custom tiles slowly to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.